GS Vending. 18 years focused on global intelligent self-service devices, building an integrated industrial ecosystem of R&G, manufacturing and services. A comprehensive manufacturing system covering sheet metal processing, complete machine assembly, functional testing, and quality inspection. We take every process seriously with technological leadership. Smart solutions for coffee, nutrition, beverage, and retail. We serve more than 2,000 enterprises and customers. It sells well in more than 90 countries. Behind the numbers, it's the deep trust of global customers, intelligent operation and maintenance system, professional after-sales service ensuring efficient operation. As a high-tech enterprise, we hold multiple patents and software copyrights, over 30,000 annual production capacity, 18,000 active devices, global layout. We benefit the world with Chinese manufacturing. GS Vending empowers global partners.